my days, look at that. Good morning and welcome to Bedfont Skatepark. It is right next to Heathrow Airport, so you get a good view of the aeroplanes.
Yeah, on Google we can only see half of this, and a bit of this is not very clear, so this is a bit of a surprise for us because there is no clear picture online. And yeah, Bedfont.
Two skate parks separated by some very gritty, stony ground. Massive floodlights, so this is the first part. Massive quarter pipe. 6 foot maybe, 6 foot quarter. Is this a concrete section? Oh, the edges are all skateable.
There's a ride on the other side.
Oh no, okay, not made of metal.
Yeah, this is wood. Another one!
Metal with wood on top. Oh, it's got a little ride up to it. Oi, oi. Pebble dash floor. Anyway, there's the quarters. Ah, jump box. This is quite a nice quarter pipe. Oh my god, it's like either it's gone through so many repairs or they just couldn't think of a material to use, because what is this? I think it's wood, I don't think it's skate light. Okay, I think that's the layer that would have been under whatever is on here. I think it had something else on it. Or do you think that's it? It wouldn't join up like that though.
Yeah, that's it.
Is it wood?
I would just saying that there's a lot of glass everywhere.
Oh yeah.
It's don't really skate, like it's shining, like it's stars everywhere.
Yeah.
Look at this, it's like 3 planes in one. Is
Oh,
2
whoa!
minutes here. How many minutes is on the Insta?
2 minutes. That's the
2:34 is the third one landing.
Wow! British Airways. Right, here we go. Rail, rusty rail. It's the same. Repeated on the other side. I'm sorry. Little gaps here. Box is nice. Hubba's nice. Quite a low hubba. Yeah, I'd say that's it's a bit steep down, but it's quite a nice height hubba. It's quite mellow. Like mellow to jump onto, not mellow to. Oh yeah, it's all right. It's all right. It's pretty friendly if you're learning your first down hubbas. And then this looks like it's had a shiny new material on it. Skate light maybe. You get to jump down. It's like you're going into a fire pit or something, into the arena. Yeah, this looks quite like a new riding surface. Get that off. Bit of water. I wonder what was in this circle before the mini ramp. Was it a swimming pool or something? I don't know.
It's covered of glass.
Yeah, the whole park's covered of glass. This is done by Fearless Ramps, I can see. Hey, shout out Fearless. That's why this one, the riding surface, looks really nice on it. Alright, that's Bedfont. If you bring a broom and you have some wheels for the street section that can get you over the crust, then it ain't half bad, you know? I say yeah. Be alright. The fourth plane, oh my god, how do you live here? Oh. Alright, see you at the next one.